Good morning. So for today's writing lesson, we're going to talk about how do you give voice. And when I mean voice, how do you bring the sound of real people talking, listening, interacting into your writing? And we're going to look at how adding dialogue to a narrative piece really helps your story develop a sense of voice. In this slide, I want to show you and have you listen to what it sounds like when first you tell what's happening in a story, and then the second sample is what happens when you show what's happening in the story. So first we have a passage about two boys hiking in a canyon. Doug and Tony crept along the edge of the canyon wall. Loose rocks tumbled all around them. In this case, the author is showing you what's happening. It's somewhat vivid. You can get a sense that they're not in a very good situation. The second passage, we actually give voice to the situation where Doug and Tony are going to have a dialogue, and it really changes the tone and the intensity of the scene. Doug shouted frantically, "Watch out, Tony! Those rocks are going to knock you off the edge." "I can't stop now," Tony cried. "There's no way to go back." The steep canyon walls crumbled all around the boys as they edged forward. So in the second passage, there's an intensity that's missing in the first passage. So in your writing, review where you have characters interacting. If there's an opportunity to add dialogue, then add dialogue, because that will really bring a voice to your writing. Don't force it. Don't put dialogue where there isn't any character interaction going on. But when you have a place where characters are together and where characters are potentially in a position to have a conversation, add dialogue. As you notice in the second scene, it really changes the vibrancy and the liveliness of the writing. So give dialogue a try.